Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. The opinions shared in this video are my own and are based on my personal investing journey and experiences. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk. The value of investments can go up or down and could lose some or all of your invested principal. Past performance does not guarantee or predict future results. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Hello and welcome to Always Be Investing. Today is Monday, July 27th, 2026. Day 14. Oil cooled off. Chip stocks cooled off. I still bought VTI. Today's buy, $100. Total invested, $1,400. Market mood, mixed. Core lesson, consistency. Market snapshot. Today's market in one slide. The Dow Jones was up 0.51%. S&P 500 up 0.02%. NASDAQ down 0.18%. Oil down hard. Plain English, the market did not crash. It did not explode higher. It mostly waited, while oil gave investors relief and chip stocks created pressure. Good news for inflation fears. Big story number one. Oil prices fell sharply. Brent crude fell 6.3% to $85.87. U.S. crude fell 7.5% to $82.61. Why beginners should care? Oil affects gas prices, shipping costs, airline costs, and inflation pressure. Lower oil can calm inflation fears. Plain English economics. Why lower oil can help regular people. Cheaper gas can help family budgets. Lower shipping costs can help businesses. Less inflation pressure can calm investors. It can reduce pressure on the Fed over time. But one day of lower oil does not solve everything. Prices can move again. Headlines can change fast. That is why the plan stays simple. AI trade takes pressure. Big story number two. Chip stocks struggled. NASDAQ slipped because semiconductors were weak. Reuters reported the PHLX chip index fell 2.2%. AP noted Nvidia dropped about 5%, which weighed on the NASDAQ. Hot sectors can cool fast. Beginner lesson. One sector can move the headlines. A few giant companies can pull an index up or down, even when many other stocks are doing fine. AI chip stocks down, NASDAQ slips, VTI is broader. That is why broad investing is easier to understand than betting your whole future on one trend. What investors are watching? A huge news week is coming. Fed decision Wednesday, interest rates. Inflation data this week, PCE report. Big tech, earnings, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and Amazon. GDP, Q2 update, economic growth. The market is waiting for new information. That does not mean you need to predict the outcome before investing. Big weeks make headlines. Consistent investors keep the plan simple. ABI action? What did we do today? $100 into VTI. $1,400 total invested. This is day 14. 14 trading day buys. Same amount, same core fund, same long-term mindset. Important mindset. The current value will move around. Total invested does not equal current value. Your balance can be above or below the amount you put in. That is normal. Early in the journey, the habit matters more than tiny short-term changes. The goal is not to look perfect after 14 days. The goal is to still be here after 14 years. The broad market idea? Why VTI fits this series. VTI is a broad U.S. stock market ETF. Thousands of companies, many sectors, simple structure, built for long-term holding. I am not trying to pick the perfect stock. I am building ownership in the whole market, one $100 buy at a time. This is why guessing is hard. Today had two opposite headlines. Oil fell hard, good for inflation fears. Chips fell too, pressure on NASDAQ. Same day, different forces, mixed market. Avoid beginner traps. What not to do today? Do not chase oil stocks because oil moved. Do not panic sell tech because chips had a bad day. Do not wait for every Fed decision before investing. Do not judge a long-term play by one trading day. Simple rule: news can guide learning. It should not control your emotions. Tonight's clean ABI message: oil cooled off. Chip stocks cooled off. The market finished mixed. My plan did not change. Day 14. $100 into VTI. $1,400 total invested. Disclaimer: this content is educational only and is not financial advice. Always be investing. Learn the habit. Ignore the hype. I'll see you tomorrow.